Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you a quick way to add collaborators to your Instagram posts or Reels. To begin, tap the plus icon located here and select the post option. Choose the video you want to use and then click the blue arrow in the top right corner. If an edit prompt appears, you can select it, then hit next to continue. On the following screen, tap Tag People and then select Invite Collaborator. Type in the name of the account you want to invite and select it from the list. After that, click the blue checkmark in the upper right. You can now finalize your post with a caption or cover image, then just hit share. We need to wait a few seconds for the upload to finish. Once it is ready, switch over to the account you invited. You will see a notification that you have been tagged in a reel. Simply click on that notification to accept the invitation to be a collaborator. It is really that straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I will see you in the next one.